Welcome to Chuck E. Cheese. How may I get your order?
I would like some French fries, please.
Sorry to say that we are sold out of French fries. But you can have green beans.
What? Are you kidding me? I want French fries. Because Chuck E. Cheese discontinued French fries. You can get green beans or timeout. Seriously? How did you do that? Take you to timeout or you're grounded. Fine. You're under arrest for grounding Caillou. Get in the car now. I'm sorry. I want to ground Caillou. No, you're not. You're going to jail and that's final. No, I want to ground Caillou. I want to ground Caillou. I want to ground Caillou. Come with me. You're staying here for 666 years. Washington.